Good morning, people. Welcome back with me, Muhammad Wiyarta on the Tripan News. Today, I will bring a hot news from Liputan 6. Liputan6.com, Jakarta Meteorology and Climatology and Geophysics Agency predict the peak of the rainy season will occur in January to February 2020. This was confirmed by the head of BMKG, Weather Early Prediction and Warning Miming Saifuddin. The territory of Indonesia, this is about to enter the start of the rainy season start in the north such as Aceh, North Sumatra, West Sumatra to northern Papua. Meanwhile, the peak of the rainy season is predicted to be January-February 2020. Said Miming as written statement received by helpliputan6.com written Saturday, November 2. The potential for extreme weather during the transition period from the dry season to the rainy season is currently characterized by strong winds, tornadoes, change in temperature, and extreme weather, hail to high wave on the coast. The threat of hydrometeorological disaster, for example, floods, landslide, and moving land can also occur, especially when the rainy season arrives. Aceh and North Sumatra must be prepared for floods and landslide. Miming continue. In 1 week ahead, Miming adds that the potential for rain is predicted to occur in a number of areas, including Aceh, North Sumatra, South Sumatra, most of Kalimantan, Central Sulawesi, and Papua. High wave will occur in the southern and southwest regions of Sumatra to the south of Java, where the estimated wave height reaches 2.5 meters. Even so, BMKG still predict that these conditions are still safe for sea crossings. Thank you for watching and see you next time.